That person that just hurt you, that devastated you, that left that knife in your back that comes all the way through your heart, one day you're going to thank them for what they did. Because even though it may have been incredibly painful what you just went through, that person came and killed something that was weak within you. Okay? They came and destroyed something that was within you that needed to go. Because you're about to launch off. All right? You're about to take off. And they liberated your self-respect so that you were able to do this. They pushed you so far into a corner that you had no choice but to start fighting back. And that is exactly what they came here to do. They came to remove that weakness out of you, because the path that you're about to walk, that weakness would have weighed you down. You would not have been able to go where you were about to go and do what you were about to do with that weakness hanging over you. So yes, it may have hurt. They served their purpose. And if you are upset right now, that is still okay. One day you're going to look back and say, thank you. Thank you for hurting me so badly that my self-respect finally woke back up.